Both may and might are used to express permissions, but may is used for both asking and giving permissions, while might is used specially for asking permissions. So when we say, may I use your laptop? It is about asking a permission. And when we say, you may go to the market now, we are giving a permission to someone. Well, might is used to ask permissions in a very formal way, and it is not much used in spoken English. For example, might I ask you some questions, please? Might I speak to your parents? Okay. As for possibility, may is used to express more possible things. For example, he may need your help to make the presentation. Now, this sentence carries a more possible sense, is it? Yes, it is more likely to happen that someone will need someone's help to make a presentation. Next example, Mother may scold me, but I still want to eat more ice creams. Well, this is an interesting sentence, is it? Someone is pretty much sure that he or she will be scolded by his or her mother if he or she eats more ice creams. Okay, then what we learn? We learn that may is used to express higher possibilities. On the other hand, might is used for less possible things. For example, if it rains, she might not come to the party. Well, whether she will come to the party or not is not so certain. Why? Because we are not much sure whether it will rain or not. Okay, that was about possibility between may and might. Now we will talk about the tense difference between may and might. May is used for both present and future tenses. For example, you may go to the market now. I may take admission in a new school next year. On the other hand, in case of might, apart from being used in present and future tenses, it has a special use in the past perfect tense sentence. This is because of the reason that might is the past tense form of may. For example, he might have forgotten to call you. Father might have kept the book somewhere. Okay? Next, both may and might are used to express suggestions in sentences. For example, may I suggest an alternative way to solve the problem? Or might I suggest an alternative way to solve the problem? Lastly, might is used in place of may in reported or indirect speeches. So the sentence, she said, I may go to the park, is in direct speech. Its reported or indirect form is, she said that she might go to the park, where may has been replaced with might. Okay? This is all about may and might. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.